Hi there, how are you doing today? Today I have come up with a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download files one after another in Internet Download Manager. Probably most of us know these tips, but this tutorial is for those who don't know these tips yet. So let's get started. At first, you have to open Internet Download Manager and you have to add files that you want to download one after another in Internet Download Manager. So guys, you see that these three files that I want to download one after another. So if you want to download in this process, at first you have to click on queues and then you have to create a folder under queues. So if you want to create folder, then click right button here and create new queue, and then you can name it anything. I am writing my name and then click OK. Uh, Click on close button and select the files and then right click on this and click here move to queue and then click on this folder that you have created before. Click here. Guys, you see that the three files that I want to download one after another is here, and if you download now, then you can click here and right button and then here and right button and start now. Guys, you see that the download process is being started. The download process is going on, and one file has been downloaded and another one has been started. So guys, that's the tutorial. That's all about it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel and like my video and share with your friends. So no more today. Inshallah, I will come with another tutorial in future. Till then, goodbye.